Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to write a multiplication table using 4 nested loops in Java. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. By the way guys, I am very thankful for our new subscribers of my channel. If you have some friends, family members, and classmates who wants to learn computer programming, kindly told them about my channel. Spread the word. Thank you very much for the support. I really appreciate to all my viewers of my tutorial. It gives me inspiration to continue the thing that I love, that is teaching, writing programs, and inspiring people. So let's get started. I'm using Eclipse as my integrated development environment, or IDE. So first, we will go to File, New Java Project, and then here to create a Java project, I will type the project now. So multiplication table underscore demo. This is the name of the project. Finish. And then this is already the package. Right click new, we will select class, and then we will check this one. So the package name is multiplication underscore table underscore demo, and then the name is multiplication underscore table. Check this public static void main so that it will auto generated. You don't need to type on your own. The Eclipse IDE is the one who will auto generated. And then we can also check this checkbox to generate the comments. Finish. Okay, so we have here already, no? So okay, all we need to do is to write the codes inside of our class, no? So let's say for example, we will put a comment here, multiplication table in Java. Author yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. The date of recording October 23, 2019, Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, so here at the public static void main, we can declare system out print line, and then we can copy that one, horizontal tab, other one, and then multiplication table. You can copy, paste, 4 int a equals 1 semicolon a less than or equal to 12, a plus plus, we increment, begin, and then we have here another looping statement. It is called instead loop because a loop within a loop. Int b equals 1, b less than or equal to 12, b plus plus, begin. So here system out point print f percent for the asterisk b. Sorry, system point out point print line. Okay, so we have done already. Now let me explain first now what what we are trying to do right in this code. Now, so in order for us to create a multiplication table using Java, it is very important to understand that in order for us to make one, we are using nested for loop statement. So a nested for loop statement, a loop within a loop. In this example, we can clearly see that I declared two looping statement. The variable a up in variable b, the second looping statement. Now, and then we multiply the a and b in the new line. So very simple program, very simple code actually. So let us check for syntax error. So Control S to save, and then click here the run. Okay, so we have already generated the multiplication table as we can see on our screen. So until 12, row 12 column 12. For example, 4 times 2 we have 8, 5 times 7 is 35, 12 times 12 144. So that's it, guys. So that's very simple actually, but if you don't have any idea on how to analyze very well the problem and create the algorithm and probable solution, you find it very difficult, very complex. Actually, the code is very short. It consists only of this code. Okay, so we are already end of this video tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial, how to create a multiplication table using Java. If you like this video tutorial, please click, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for the support and watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.